Hey, what's going on YouTube? Silver Whoops here outside the den. I really appreciate you stopping by. So this is going to be a gear review video. By the way, it is January 5th, 2024. So what I have here is two items that I got recently. Wise Owl Outfitters Rainfly and the Wilcore Double Nest Hammock. I got this at the El Dorado Outback. It's in the Uwharrie National Forest area. It's a store. They make food. They have camping equipment. They have all these little knickknacks you can buy, such as shirts and so forth. If you're ever in an area, I definitely highly recommend stopping there and checking it out. It's a great little camping store. This I bought from Amazon. I'm going to share more of the specs tomorrow. Basically what I'm doing is tomorrow it's supposed to be heavy rains and wind. I haven't tested these out in the field yet, so I thought it would be a great opportunity to set these up in the backyard between these two trees right here. Wasn't sure if I was going to set the hammock up, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. Why not? So yeah, again, going to be set. The sun's going down at any moment now, so I got to jump on it. I just got off of work, so hang in there, and we'll be back. Alright, so it is 8:30 in the morning. Check this out. So it is sagging over here. Just for the record, I'm more of a tent camper, not a hammock tarp camper. So I'm sure I'm doing something wrong here. Probably if I had this down instead of propped up with the trekking poles. This is what I like about this particular tarp. It has the holes or the loops at the end of the corners. I put this little guard in here. Also, they have these rope tightener mechanism right here. So instead of, I forgot the name of the particular knot I use. But this is I believe a slip knot, or you could pull one end and tighten it. So I do that on all four corners. I also do that up around the tree. Let's go inside. Yeah, so the material of this tarp is made of 210T ripstop nylon. Oh, let's see if it's wet. Okay, that's dry. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Let's go over to this end. Oh, yeah, that's wet. Wonder. Yeah, maybe leave in the comments. Maybe I didn't set it out right. Let's take a step back here. So if I were, can I tighten this up here? Maybe if I could adjust it. I've seen in some other videos where you have there's not a ridge line that goes all the way across, but people have set up a ridge line plus the end ridge line here, just for extra reinforcement. Let's take a look at the other side. Bit of water accumulation here, but that's not bad, I guess. You have the Wise Owl logo. It's a pretty cool logo. Let's get a better view. So this side is, so this is 11 feet by 9 feet. I wish it was 11 feet by 6. That would have been perfect. So I'm gonna have to figure out, maybe move this a little bit here, move this a little bit back further. But so far, yeah, I just have to learn how to adjust. How could I fix that? Maybe if I, the stakes are aluminum. So let me pull this out. Maybe if I pull this out more over here. Okay. I'll let you guys take a look at the stakes that it comes with. Nice aluminum. So it has these little ropes at the end where I slip the tie through. Okay, do this over here. Okay, now the water's coming out. It still looks like it's going to accumulate a little bit. Okay, so yeah, so I did loosen one end and then I pulled it a few inches across, so I was able to get it more so over the end here where it was getting wet. The other side is still looking good, so I think I just didn't have it set up properly, the tarp covering the hammock 100%. I also lowered the poles a little bit, but it looks like it's still gonna, the rain's gonna accumulate. There's that little divot there. But that's nothing the stick can fix. So far so good. Amazon, you can get it probably around, I think the price now is about $45. They make a lighter version. It has 4 corners instead of the 6. It comes like a triangle. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside, dry off a little bit, come back and check it, and we'll close off then. So final thoughts after 12 straight hours of non-stop rain, moderate to heavy at times, a little windy. It's held up pretty well. But my honest thoughts, I would not use this in a storm with a hammock. A tent maybe. I could definitely put my 2-person tent in here. It'd be pretty comfortable. Since I've moved the tarp over a little bit up here, where it's, let's see if we could get a view. So now it's over the top of the hammock. It did dry out a little bit. It's not as wet, but it's still moist. This is a little moist as well. And also, if I'm going to hammock in the rain, maybe get a bigger tarp, rain fly, and one that's more square, that it doesn't come to an angle like this. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd really like to hear your opinion on the Wise Owl Rainfly. Silverbolt's out.